Beach Hero Sprint 2 progress. Summary. The user can now shoot beach balls at an adult moving around the game screen. The adult will spawn in random spots inside the game scene. The adults will move from left to right inside the game scene. A new adult will spawn if the user hits one or if an adult touches the right edge of the game scene. The beach ball will explode once it reaches the cursor's location. Story 1. As an adult, I want to spawn at a random place on the game scene so that Bo cannot guess where I will spawn. Acceptance criteria. The adult spawns when the adult spawns. It should be in a random X location on the game scene. As an adult spawns, it should be on a random Y location on the game scene. As an adult should spawn inside the game scene. Story 2. As an adult, I want to move from left to right so that I am much harder to hit. Acceptance criteria. The adult should move from left to right while on the game scene. The adult should keep moving at a constant speed across the game scene. Story 3. As an adult, I want to traverse the game scene and reach the right side so that I can disappear. Adults should be able to touch the right edge. The adult should always move in a straight line towards the right edge. Once the adult touches the right edge, it disappears. When the adult disappears, a new adult appears randomly on the game scene. As a beach ball, I want to travel in a straight line to the cursor's location at the time of the mouse press so that I can explode. Acceptance criteria. The beach ball will go to the cursor's location as long as it is not on the edge of the game scene. The beach ball will not bounce off the edge of the game screen. And once a beach ball reaches the cursor's location, it begins the explosion animation. Story 5. As a beach ball, I want to explode using the explosion animation so that I can hit as many enemies as possible. Once a beach ball explosion animation reaches its max size, it disappears. At the cursor's location, the beach ball explosion animation will expand to a certain size. The explosion animation max size is 35 pixels.